Hey, welcome back. This is part 2 of the repair of the Angry Chainsaw. It's a BWS with a stretch and a bunch of stuff. So he's brought me an axle to repair the one that was bent. I am going to be making some new axle spacers because he had some aluminum ones on there that look like they were cut with a grinder. So we're going to make some nice ones that are steel and square. And we'll be making new adapters for the brake caliper and bolting it all together and getting it working. So yeah, let's make some axle spacers. Here's a tip for if you're trying to cut stuff with a bandsaw and it's too little, and when you tighten the jaw it screws up. Take another small cut off piece of it, jam it on the other side. So this is what he had before. I don't know if you can see that, but that is not a straight cut. It's smaller on that side, big on that side. That's what we made. So you can see the marks I made to get the wheel kind of straight. I've also used a little bit of a straight edge by looking down the end. It's about as good as I can get it. All I used was a soft base dead blow hammer. Again, just marking the spot where the high spot is and just striking it. If you put the other face onto something, but put it on a wide, so if you get like a 2x4 on this side and you put it across the length of the rim width-wise, so that you're a lot of surface area, when you strike you stand less of a chance of bending this face. If you just put like a 2x4 on edge here and then you strike it on this side here, so you just have a very low patch for all that force to get pushed, and you could actually damage the rim on this side. So I had some big pieces of plastic block, and I put it across here, and then I mark the spot, strike it there. It is a lot better than it was, but I don't think it'll ever be perfect again. There's an in bow a little bit, so you'd almost have to take the wheel off, try to like spreading this out a little bit. I don't have the means to take the tire off here, so I'm just going to leave that for now. Really, in reality, getting a new wheel would probably be the best bet, but forgot to switch the bleeders. It's important to get brake fluid off your paint. This was not fully tight when the bike was dropped off, and it's been like just dripping. But that's what it does, it bubbles up. So I'm just going to do an off the bike bleed, just because it's such a pain in the butt to try and even get close to that bleeder when it's on the wheel. Still need to get a speedo sensor for it, but seems to be okay. Till next time.